In this video, I'll detail how to stop downloaded apps from appearing on your iPhone home screen on iOS 18. Each time you download an installed application from the App Store on your iPhone, you should see the application on the home screen clustered. However, you can configure this to make all the applications you downloaded or installed on your iPhone to go straight to the Hype library and choose to drag them to the home screen. And this is going to make your home screen look neat and organized. So if you download this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. To do this, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down, keep scrolling, and locate home screen and Hype library. Click on that. Then, while on this page, under new downloaded, make sure you select Hype library only. And then you can enable show on home screen. That is when you search, then notification. You may also show notification in library. But to make sure all the downloaded and installed application on your iPhone is not added to your iPhone home screen automatically, you need to disable Add to Home Screen and turn on Hype library only. So after this, whenever you download and install any application on your iPhone, the application will not appear on the home screen. Rather, they come straight to the App library. Then you can add the application to the App library manually by dragging it from the App library on your iOS 18 to whatever page you want to add it. So this is how you can easily make your iPhone home screen clean and unclustered. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.